Need to replace a leg on your Blackstone 2177? Today we're swapping the whole folding leg assembly for a brand new one. We'll walk it in clean technical diagrams to see the repair from angles that are hard to catch on camera. It's a medium job, about 30 minutes with a Phillips screwdriver, an adjustable wrench, and a second set of hands for the flips. Let's get into it. Step 1. Strip the weight. But first, all 4 knobs off, tank valve closed, regulator disconnected, and everything cool. Then, we can work. Lift the tank off its hook on the left leg. Hard cover off its hooks, then the griddle top. 2-person lift, gloves on. Grease cup out of its slot on the back. What's left is the bare body, light enough to handle safely. Step 2. Bottom shelf out, then flip. 1 large thumb screw holds the shelf at the left leg. 1 medium thumb screw and the LPG support hold it at the right. Back both out. Lift the shelf free and keep that hardware together. Then 2 people, smooth ground. Flip the body upside down. A sheet of cardboard under it saves your powder coat. Step 3. Strip the old leg. Everything on it transfers to the new one. Casters come off with an acorn nut and lock washer each. Fixed wheels back off their small thumb screws. And if it's the left leg, pull the cotter pin and slide the shear pin out to free the tank hanger. Bag every piece. The new leg ships bare. Step 4. Swap the assembly. Unbolt the old leg where it meets the body brackets, seat the new one in its place, and run the bolts down snug. Then fold the leg up to vertical until the latch clicks. These legs are pushed to lock. If the bolt style on yours looks different, no sweat. Reuse exactly what came off. Step 5. Re-rig and stand it up. Wheels onto the new leg. Tank hanger back on. Shear pin through, cotter pin snapped in. Then the flip in reverse, 2 people, and the shelf goes back in with its thumb screws. Tank back on its hook. Give every fastener one last pass. A fresh assembly always settles. Before you call it done, run the checks. Push against the new leg. The latch holds, no fold, no play at the hinge. All 4 wheels planted flat, no rock at any corner. Roll it a few feet and step on the brakes. Smooth rolling, planted when locked. And check the shelf and tank hanger one more time. Snug screws. Tank seated against its support. Pass all 4, and this repair is finished. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.